Do you want to create viral quiz videos and earn thousands of dollars from the TikTok creativity program, but you're struggling with video editing and it takes you hours? Don't worry. Now you don't need to waste time on video editing, voiceovers, or finding video ideas. Because today, I am introducing you to an AI tool that will automatically generate a quiz video for you in just 1 minute. Not just any simple quiz, but a video with voiceovers, sound effects, and music. Trust me, people are uploading quiz videos on TikTok and gaining millions of views, earning thousands of dollars. The best part is that these types of videos are 100% acceptable for the TikTok creativity program. By the way, I have a surprise for you. You know that people are earning thousands of dollars from the TikTok Shop affiliate program. If you also want to become a TikTok Shop affiliate, Shopless is a TikTok analytics tool that helps every seller and creator keep track of TikTok trends, discover product opportunities, gain competitor insights, and more. With this tool, you can find top-selling products. You can see how much revenue people are generating per day. You can check analytics for products by category, including sales, growth rate, and commission. You can also check which products are selling the most in different countries. For example, today's most sold product in the United States generated $87,000 in revenue. The most sold product in the last month generated a total of $930,000 in revenue. In addition, you can get complete data on top influencers who have generated the highest sales. For example, look at this small influencer who has only 6,000 subscribers but generated $92,000 in revenue in the last 30 days. All right, so this way you can check the analytics of any influencer or product on Shopless. This tool is very helpful for everyone. The link to this tool is in the description below. You can try a 3-day free trial from there. All right, let's get back to the main topic. You know, TikTok is not available in every country right now, but don't worry, you can buy a fully monetizable US TikTok account from this website and access TikTok from anywhere. I've provided the link to the website and a 20% discount code in the description below, so be sure to check it out. All right, let's come to the point. Let me tell you that this tool is not free. So, if you're interested in purchasing it, you can use my coupon code to get a 20% discount. All right, after signing up, you will see a dashboard like this. Next, go to the quiz section. Here you have 2 templates, standard and multi-level. Let's try the standard template first. Okay, but before that, choose your language from here as you have many options. After this, scroll down and go to the settings. Here, you can choose the voice. This tool supports voices from 11 labs, so I will choose Adam's voice. Keep all these options ticked, then go back to the questions and just hit Generate Question. Now you need to choose a topic. You can select any topic you like. For example, I will type world and simply click OK. You can see that 10 questions have been generated. If you want to add more questions, click on Add Question. Here, you can manually add quiz questions. For example, I have a quiz generated by ChatGPT. I will copy the first question and paste it here. Then, click on the plus sign and add 3 options. Copy and paste the options one by one here. Then simply continue. You can see that the video is being generated. Within a minute, our quiz video will be ready. Let's play it.
Which continent is known as the land of the rising sun? C. Asia.
As you can see, the video is quite interesting, with well-added voiceover, sound effects, and images. All right. Now, if you want to make any changes to the video, you can do so from the settings. Here, you can customize the voice speed, volume, and pitch. You can also change the text color, font style, shadow, and the number of questions. Similarly, you can customize the question text as well. So this is how you can make changes in the settings. All right, if I turn on the background video feature, you'll see that an automatic background video has been added. All right, next, if you go to the video section, you'll find random background videos that you can choose from. See, the video has been applied. You can also regenerate images from here. Just click here, then type a prompt. All right, after this, you can add background music if you want, so you have full control and can customize anything. All right, once the video is ready, you can download it from here. Okay, now let's quickly try the second template. Simply choose the second template. Again, generate the quiz, then continue. You'll see that this time, a different video has been generated. Since the settings are the same, you can customize this video in the same way I explained earlier, such as adding a background video, changing the text style, etc. All right, so let me show you a preview of both videos.
Which continent is known as the land of the rising sun? C. Asia. Which country is known as the land of 1,000 lakes? C. Finland. Which of the following continents is the largest by land area? Asia? What is the capital city of Australia? Canberra.
As you can see, both videos look quite interesting. If you upload such videos on TikTok, there is a 100% chance that you will be eligible for the TikTok Creativity Program, and you can generate passive income from TikTok. All right, so this was a short tutorial, guys. If you liked it, you can also check out these videos where I show you a new TikTok automation tool.